how to create a QR code with Wix. Google search for Wix, generate QR code, and you want to click on the first website here that you see. It's gonna look a little something like this. Make sure you are signed into your Wix account, and you can just click on create QR code. Now right here you can choose the content type, so you have URL, you have phone, SMS, vCard. You can choose the type of QR code which you want to generate. So I'm going to do a link for this tutorial, and here you will be able to paste your link. So I'm just going to right click and paste the link to Discord in this case. And you will be able to preview your code here. You can select the size. So if you want to increase the size, you can do that. And also you can choose the background. I'm going to leave it as white here, and it's going to look like this. Now, once you're done, you will click on download, and it's going to give us the option of downloading this as PNG, SVG, or JPEG. So I'm just going to choose PNG for this tutorial, and this automatically downloads it as long as you're signed into your account. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.